Welcome to my channel, Janice Bilingual Bridge, live here in Siquijor Island, Philippines, and today is Friday the 13th. Alright, let's start our lesson today. Bird, in Visayan, langgam, in Tagalog, ebon. Ants, in Visayan, amuligas, in Tagalog, langgam. Dog, in Visayan, iro, in Tagalog, aso. Cat, in Visayan, iring, in Tagalog, pusa. Cow, in Visayan and Tagalog the same, baka. Chicken, in Visayan and Tagalog in general it's the same, manok. But in Visayan, if that female chicken has chicks, then it's called inaan. And the male chicken is sonoy. Pig, in Visayan and Tagalog in general is the same, baboy. But in Visayan, if that female pig has piglets, then it is called anayon. And that male pig, if you will raise it just to mate with the female pig, then it is called butakal. Alright, this is all for today and have a wonderful Friday, everyone. Have fun learning and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and see you in my next video.